Christmas lights are always beautiful during the Christmas season, but everyone knows they can be difficult and take a long time to put up. I want to introduce you to a product called Speedwrapper. Speedwrapper allows you to wrap 3 Christmas light strands at once. If you can see here, I've put my Speedwrapper adapters onto 3 Christmas light strands, right? With the 3-strand adapter, as you can see here, you're able to put strands across each one down your strips of lights. When this is all said and done, it will look something like this, right? Your 3 strands can be easily put on the tree, taken off the tree, and stored. The Speedwrapper kit comes with 60 of our 3-strand adapters and 5 of our light rollers. Again, take a look here. It's easy. You put the strands onto our 3-strand adapters, you plug them all together, and there you go. One outlet, put it in, easy, simple. Again, 3 strands at one time. It will speed up your light wrapping by 60%, right? Easily. You can find and pick up a product at speedwrapper.com. Come, try it out, test it out, see some of our other videos, and see how easy it is to wrap 3 strands at once. One more time, I'm going to show you. Look at this. It's beautiful. With the Speedwrapper wrapping kit, you get 60 of our 3-strand adapters and 5 of our flexible light rolling tubes that allow for easy application and uninstalling of your Christmas lights during the Christmas season, just like this.